This is the RLTCW-SP, and this is how it's going to be basically set up for your bottle when your labels come to you in the number 4 position. And that is left edge leading. Your bottle will go in like that. This is a teeter controller. Once you have it into the nesting area, you teeter it up until it stops. And that'll put it in the exact same position each time. So on the main cross brace here, it's on the left side it's set at 5 1/8. On the right side it's set at 4 1/8, and that's approximate because we didn't have labels to set it up. So you're going to have to tweak it, but that's not going to be a problem. So that's how it's going to be set up for the labels once you get them printed with left edge leading, number 4 position. I want to show you how the brake works very quickly. And the brake is what gives the tension on the roll of labels. And to release it, you see there's a slot back here. So you don't have to take it apart, you just simply lift it up and pull it out. The brake is released, so it's out of your way. Once both brakes are released, this whole roller will just pop right out of the machine for putting labels on and off the machine. So you're going to have another one of these bars over here when your bottle goes in like this for the number 1 position, and the cross brace will be here. We put marks on the machine, so you put this main cross brace, put it up between these two lines over here, and it'll be running just a little bit tapered, but not much. Other than that, I think everything that I need to explain to you is going to be easily explained on the phone, and we are going to send you some still pictures as well, and you'll get other tutorial videos showing you how to mount the roll of labels and whatnot. These are extra pins here to hold the spring plate in, and you do have a regular separator plate that basically instantly turns this into an RLW1. So you can do round bottles on it using this separator plate. This comes out, this goes in its place. Goes like this. This goes in its place. And other than that, I'll be able to explain all these markings to you on the phone and how to get you going. We're going to be sending you threading videos and videos that show you other things about how to actually operate the machine. So anyway, give me a call when you get the machine, and we'll get you going.